Hello everybody, have a nice day. In this episode we will visit the world's oldest open space museum, which is Skansen in Stockholm on the island of Djurgården. So this museum is with traditional Swedish houses, but if you're not really interested about architecture and traditional Swedish houses, then you can find an aquarium and a zoo inside as well. For an extra fee you can visit that. And this is the oldest open-air museum of the world. There's another interesting fact about it. Old windmills. So these windmills are from the region of Öland, where in the middle of the 18th century there were more than 2,000 windmills, and one of them we can see here. So they're mainly used, these windmills, in the winter. This is a post office from the village of Viserum, built in the beginning of the 20th century. It's very interesting that this village museum Skansen actually contains a collection of buildings from the whole Sweden. You can find all kind of buildings brought here. Linder's pig. Interesting. Starting a pig fight. Why did you eat my oat? Oh, this is getting crazy. There are some big conflicts in this pack, I think. Well, these kind of houses we can still find in the Romanian mountains too. These kind of farms. But these kind of roofs I first saw in Torshavn in the Faroe Islands. If you didn't watch that video, I can link it here. It's very interesting. And this is a Norse mill. This is how they brought the water from the fountain to get water for the mill. This building is from the medieval ages, from the province of Holland. Don't confuse it with the Norwegian football striker of Borussia Dortmund. This is how it looks like in the inside. Beautiful autumn weather. This belfry was constructed in 1730. It's very old. It was donated to the Skansen Museum. Very Scandinavian style. Yeah, old Scandinavian style. I never saw such a bell tower. Very interesting.
Och i den där runda tror jag också.
This is how a typical semi-camp looked like on the mountains in the 12th century. The Sami was a nomadic nation. They were following the herd of the reindeers, so they could have something to eat. Oh, looks like somebody's snoring very loud here. So this was everything about Skansen. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, then please do it now. And have a nice day. Goodbye.